Hello everybody, these are the parking sensors that I have made, and these sensors use the LoRa WAN technology to upload their data on the server. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to quickly demonstrate how the parking sensor works. Here I have drawn these sensors on a map. These are the location of the two sensors. So they turn red when there's a car detected, and they turn green where there is no car. So right now I'm going to demonstrate this sensor using a magnet to simulate a car. So I'm going to introduce the magnet. I don't have the magnet, so I'm using a broken speaker. See, the sign turned red. Now I'm taking the magnet away, so it will automatically convert into green. See, so here's how the parking sensor is working. Now I'm again introducing the magnet, so the sign will again convert into red. It takes a bit time because LoRa send data at a very low rate. So now I'm again removing the magnet. See how it is working. So I've also created a configuration app for configuring the parking sensor. Here's the app. This is my code actually. Anyways, so the app is started here. Here I can configure the authorization token, which is used especially for LoRa ID server, and here's the application ID. So here is the device UI, the port, the device ID, which is going to be configured in the device. This is the network session key, which is being written into the device, and the application session key as well. This is the parking threshold or the detection threshold. It can be varied depending on the cars and depending on the type of the vehicle. So I have created this application to configure the parking sensor. The submit button actually sends a post request, and then this data is sent to LoRa, this parking sensor, LoRa based parking sensor, via LoRa uplink, and then it automatically configures these values into it and start working according to the values. So this is how my parking sensor project works. Thank you for watching.